Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the PKEY brand, the rechargeable electric mini screwdriver with a magnetic worktable and 28 precision magnetic bits and 3 gears of torque. So this will have torques of 0.15 Newton, 0.25 Newton, and 0.35 Newton meters. And the unloaded speed is 190, 180, 190, or 200 RPM. Really cool product. It has a 300 milliamp internal battery inside the unit already, and an additional battery that you can keep charged using that port right there, that USB-C port right there. We're going to go over everything, and this is really impressive. So this little magnetic work table is really cool because it could hold little screws just like that, and also electronic components. So this is a really clever idea so that you don't lose screws or components when you're working on things. The product comes with a USB-A to USB-C cable instruction booklet, a nice little holder, and the unit itself, and this really cool holder that has all the bits in there and that battery and the charge port on there on one side. And you go to the other side right here, you have more bits for you to use and to choose. And they do have the type of bit molded in right there, as well as the size. You can see that's SL10, and you can get an idea right there. So if you're reading something that says you need a Y20 bit, you can look, there's Y20 right there. And that's really convenient because a lot of times it's confusing what they're called. And here you can see it's got PH0000. So it's all laid out for you and all organized for you. And then it's really cool because on the side, on this piano black side right here, you push that button right there, and then this opens up and you can put the tool right in there. That way it takes minimal space and you don't have to worry about having it hanging around. Then you put it right back in this and you're all set. I want to point out that there's 2 powerful magnets and pieces of metal plate in there, and that's what holds both those covers in place really nicely. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I'm using the included USB-A cable to USB-C, and I have it plugged in, and there is a little white LED right there, and that's going to go to blue when this is fully charged. Well, while that's charging, let's go over the tool itself. First thing I notice is it has this really cool top piece right here that has bushings, and it's indented so that it fits your finger, your thumb, and that allows you to rotate this manually if you have to, if you just want to turn it like that without using the power tool. It also just gives you more control because it's on a bushing. It feels really good too. Then there's different torque settings on here, and you see there's a red button there. When you turn that button towards the bit, that's the lowest torque or the lowest speed. If you look at it, the rotation right there, that's forward and that's reversed. So if I go to the extreme other end of that, you can see it's faster, forward and reverse. So it's increasing the speed and the torque. And then there's a middle position on there, and that's right in the middle, just like that. Now also the battery is right on here. You can unscrew this piece right here, and you have the actual battery itself. The company provides a 6-month warranty on this product, by the way. So there's the little battery right there that's included. The positive goes towards the bit. Don't remove that blue covering on there. That's part of the battery. Then you just put this back on and you rotate this clockwise, and you have the thing locked in place and ready to use again. Very simple operation, and they also put a knurled portion on here so that it feels really good. There's also a knurled portion on the top, and then combined with that rotation piece right there. Very nice. Also has another really cool feature. Built in, it has a demagnetizer and a magnetizer magnet, And those are really handy. So if you want to demagnetize a bit, you put the bit inside there like that. I can feel the magnet. And then what it'll do, it'll make it so that it should no longer have enough attraction to hold something. See how it drops? It just can't grab it anymore. Now if you want to re-energize that, you go into the magnetic portion, rotate it inside there just like that. And now it holds the screw because it magnetizes for you. Really clever. Now there's a ton of applications you can use when you have all these bits, and it's just ergonomically feels really good. And this is just a Phillips head and removes it perfectly, or retightens it perfectly. And you also notice how quiet these gears are. Now a lot of times small cameras have really tiny screws, as you can see right there. And here I'm using the Y20 bit that it comes with. And I can go into that little tiny screw right there. I can remove it or tighten it back down just like that. So that's really handy, because a lot of times you're doing some work on something small like this, you're not going to have a screwdriver in your collection that can do what this is doing, as a perfect example. So after testing out the PKEY brand, the rechargeable electric mini screwdriver, what do I think about this product? I really like it. This little magnetic Worktable is excellent. Just this way this product works with the different speed settings on here and this rotating top cap right there with the indent. Just really comfortable to use, as I demonstrated. This whole thing gets all stored so nicely, the extra battery, all the organized bits in the holder. Great value, really unique product. They really thought this thing out. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.